The 35th Annual Valor Awards, sponsored by the Fairfax County Chamber of Commerce, is really a unique celebration, unique across the United States, in that we celebrate awards of valor for our first responders here in Fairfax County. This is our 35th year of doing this at the Chamber, and it's a real partnership with the first responders, the police, sheriff, and fire departments in Fairfax County and the towns within Fairfax County. And the individuals that are rewarded and recognized during these awards are those individuals who have gone above and beyond the call of duty to protect and serve the citizens of Fairfax County. However, there's also a scholarship component to it, where the Chamber supplies scholarships to the families of the individuals recognized for these acts of valor. When you look at the acts that they take care of and the first responders that travel to disaster areas across the country and across the world does look up to Fairfax County and these acts. It really is a community awards event, and everyone here is gathered to recognize these great acts of valor that these folks have done over the course of the past year. And it's in recognizing it as a community that we're able to reward, recognize, and see this continued service that helps our community be a great community.